Hello my friends, it's Miss M here with TCLE. Thank you for joining me today. Now a lot of my friends have shared that they miss our Fun Friday activities, our cooking, our art, and I miss it too. So today, why don't you join me in some Fun Friday cooking activity? Like that idea? Okay. Let me just take 1 minute to invite our Spanish-speaking friends so they could join us in the fun. Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí de nuevo con Miss M. Gracias por acompañarnos. Hoy en este video, su alumno me ayudará a hacer una actividad divertida en la cocina. Muchos de mis alumnos me han dicho que extrañan nuestras actividades que hacíamos los viernes. Así es de que hoy vamos a hacer una de ellas. ¿Listos? Acompáñenos. Okay, my friends, ready? Today we're going to make banana penguins. You like that idea? Okay, let's read the recipe. This is May's ULS lesson number 21, banana penguins. We're gonna need 6 bananas peeled, 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips, 12 edible candy eyes, 1 cup of chocolate candies, orange color, a plastic knife, a small microwave-safe bowl, and a... Okay, my friends, are you ready to start cooking? Great. Now, I'm just gonna make 1 banana, okay? You guys can make as many as you want at home, all right? So, step number 1 is going to be to cut the banana 3/4 of the way down, okay? So, let's look at the banana here. Remember, 3/4, so I'm gonna make like 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just marked them, okay? Don't cut all the way down. There's 1, see if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's remember our fractions. It says 3/4, so that's 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna cut it right there. Okay. Step number 2 is to put the chocolate chips into your bowl. I have my bag here. Okay. Remember, have your parents or your caretakers help you with this, okay? Since I am only doing 1 banana, I didn't use the whole bag. I just used about this much, okay? Now, step number 3 is to microwave it for 30 seconds. Let's go to the microwave. How many seconds? 30. Okay guys, let's count down. Ready? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we need to give it a stir. But you see, they are not melted. So, after stirring it for a little bit, we're going to put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, ready? Let's count down. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, awesome. Thank you for helping me count down. Now, the bowl is a little bit hot, so I'm going to get a towel to help me, okay? All right. We don't want to get burned. Okay, let me give it a stir. It's melted. Should we put it in for a little bit more? No? Just use this? All right. Okay. So the next step will be to dip the rounded part of your banana into the chocolate, okay? This soon. Broke. It's okay. We'll put that aside. We'll put that piece aside. Okay, we're going to do the other. The other piece, the smaller piece. Something like this. See that? Okay. Now, the next step is to put eyes. So, I have different colored M&Ms. Okay? Because I did not have edible candy eyes. And so, it's very important to try to use what you can at home. Saves you money and you have the stuff you need at home. So I think I'm going to use green eyes. How about that? Then for the other one, I think I'm going to use brown eyes. Something like this. You see that? Then it needs a nose, a beak actually, because penguins have beaks. So the recipe called for the orange candy. I don't have that, but what I do have is I have yellow M&Ms. Let's use those. Has two eyes and a little beak. Aw, that's cute. Now the next step is to put a little bit of chocolate with your spoon at the end of the piece of the banana down here, okay? I'm going to use the yellow M&Ms for feet. How about that? Oh, how cute! Look at these. these? The cutest things? It's a parent penguin and a baby penguin. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun cooking with me, and we will see you soon. Bye.